So today I'm gonna show you how to apply for a Weverse presale. So not all K-pop concert will require you this process. Only selected artists are in partnership with Weverse and running their membership club. This membership comes with a lot of benefits, but mostly it is useful if you live in Korea, because you can get a lot of gifts, merch, an opportunity to do the broadcast. But here, mostly in US or outside Korea, it's mostly used as a way to enter into the pre-sale for concerts. So that's what I'm going to show you. Step 1 is to create a Weverse account. Okay, so go to weverse.io. So now you're there, you're gonna go log in. So here you have options how to log in or sign up. So since we're gonna do it step by step, I'm gonna do sign up. I'm gonna sign up here with Google. You can use your Gmail account, you can click that, or you can use another account. So I have here, so I'm gonna click that. So there, next is you're gonna hit agree to all. This one is optional, so if you want to receive marketing communications, I don't want that, so I'm going to turn that off. And you can hit sign up now. Oops. Okay, they're asking you for notification. Decline. That's perfect for me. Sign up is complete. Start. You will be brought back to the home page. You can click here right away. It's here, BTS World Tour North America and Europe. So if you want to be updated in terms of BTS, where they are in partnership with Weverse for their fan club, to be updated right away, the first news will hit here. Even if you don't want to watch their concert, but wanted to be updated, wanted to leave messages or read messages from BTS, they have a whole platform for that. So you can see here the notice, BTS World Tour in North America and Europe ticket information. You have here the poster and all the dates and cities. So here for LA, where I'm trying to go, it's gonna be, they have 4 dates. So that's September 1, 2, 5, and 6, which is close to my birthday. Here they listed their ticket vendor, okay, which is very important. If you don't want to be scammed or you're trying to get the best retail prices, you need to buy from these websites. For LA, it's going to be Ticketmaster. I think most of it Ticketmaster, except for AT&T Stadium and the M&T Bank Stadium, that's going to be SeatGeek. So here you have the application link for the presale. Right now, we only have a Weverse account. We are not yet a member of the BTS or ARMY fan club. We need to buy that. Okay, so we cannot really apply because we don't have it yet. But from when until when you can apply. So for LA, we are here. You have Korea Standard Time from today, which is January 13, 7:30 a.m. early this morning until 3 p.m. On Sunday. So you have Mountain Time, Central Time, and Eastern Time. Once we buy the membership to be part of BTS or ARMY fan club, once we apply for the presale, we can then buy or join the presale, which will happen on these dates. So for LA, we have 4 dates. LA day 1 and 2, if we signed up for the presale, we can buy from the presale on Thursday, 3 p.m. to 9:59 p.m. Okay, January 22. But if you wanted to go to day 3 and 4, which is September 5 and 6, you can buy the ticket on January 23, Friday, 3 p.m. to 9:59 p.m. Okay? All good. If you didn't sign up for the pre-sale, which happened to me, I bought a I think this is for ESPA. I joined the fan club to join the pre-sale, but I didn't know that you need to sign up for the pre-sale. I just bought the membership, you know. So if you buy the membership and then apply for the pre-sale, and then that's when you can join the pre-sale. But if you don't want to buy the pre-sale, you're confident you can buy on general sale, or you don't have the funds for that, no worries, you can try for the general. So for LA, you can buy on this Saturday, January 24, 3 p.m. The next part is for Europe. They also have the dates here and the places where it's going to be held and their official ticket partners. This is their application link and the same information, you know. Very important notes here. So first, please make sure to check the correct time and date. Very important. Second, you must apply to the Weverse through Weverse to participate. That's what I'm talking about. You need to have a membership, which is we're gonna buy. I'm gonna show you later, and that's the only way you can join the presale. Third, only Army membership, US and global holders are eligible to participate in the Army membership presale for North America. There is a Weverse membership for Korea. I don't know if for Japan if they have it, but there's a specific Army membership for US and Army membership for global. So they're saying if you have the US, and this whole thing right here, all this post, this notice can be used by those with US and global membership. If you have both the US and the global membership, they will honor, or the transaction will be based only to your US membership. On the application form for the presale, you have an option to select 3 cities you'd wish to participate. So, and you can only buy from those that you selected. Even if the concert schedule changed or added to, you will be eligible to shop. Okay, I guess they're saying the cities are changed or they added another city. You can only buy from those cities that you applied for. To participate in the presale, your Weverse ID, very important, your Weverse ID and your Ticketmaster account email address must match. If the 2 email addresses didn't match, please check here for how to change it. So remember earlier we created an account for Weverse. That email address should be the same email address that you will be using for Ticketmaster. That's all information. If you want more information, they have here, I guess. Let's check on that. Okay, so countdown, album, obviously they're gonna release an album. You get this site, also some dates, and on the stadium for LA. Okay, they have the same information. Another thing to note here, when prompted, enter. So when you are on the presale, it's if you're asked to put a membership number, you're gonna put in the 9-digit Army membership number that starts with B8. That is, you can get that 9-digit member once you buy the membership through Weverse. Okay, that is the second step. Second step, very important, is to actually buy the Army membership or the BTS fan club membership. Okay, now let's go back to the main page. All right, so this is the main page of Weverse. Here on the left side, you have to go to service, shop, Weverse shop. Okay, so right off the bat, you got here BTS. Let's go to their shop, and if you can see here, they have products. So we're looking for membership. So here, global membership, you're gonna click that. Oh, they actually have Japan. So yeah, that was what I was talking about earlier. Oh, okay, 42. Okay, so for us in the US, for me specifically in LA, I'm gonna need a US membership. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna go US membership. I'm gonna click that, US exclusive. So price is $22. This membership can be purchased year-round, and it's valid again, like I said, for 365 days or 1 year. Once you got in here, you can put your information. I consent to collecting. I don't, but I have no choice. I'm gonna put my phone number here. Alright, let's put in the phone number. And then you gotta put your phone number here. So I already have a phone number in here, so I'm gonna ask my mom to let me use. Okay, let's verify. It says here, will not be able to change your name. Please make sure to use the name identical to the name on your valid photo ID. Very important, because lately some venues are very strict, you know, they're checking IDs and stuff. So to avoid any problems, just put your name in there. Okay, we have no choice right now. So, and then complete. Okay, just done this. I'm gonna put a customer information. I don't know why I'm gonna keep doing this, but I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so you have that information there, and then you're gonna put your address. Just again, I'm buying a US exclusive membership, so a billing address in the US is required. So I'm gonna put that. So I have the information. As you can see, since we put the address, it's showing the tax where you, depending on where you are. Total is gonna be 24.15. For the sake of this example, we're gonna go all the way through, accept and pay. Let's do that. It's gonna ask you to double check all the information and then continue order. Okay, so you need to put your card details. Okay, and then you need to consent this. So if this has been helpful so far, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hopefully see you out there, you know. Okay, so thank you, your order was successful. Again, the total was 24.15. You can see here this membership, Army membership, is valid from January 14 365 days, which is until January 13, 2027. Okay, so we're done with step 2. So now let's go back to the notice. Remember, in the notice we have the application link to apply for the pre-sale. So let's go back there. This is the homepage of Weverse. If you scroll down, you can see here the application link. Okay, so let's click the link. Okay, so apply to the event. Yes, BTS World Tour North America. This is Weverse Shop Global / US membership resale tickets for BTS World Tour North America. Application period is today, January 13, 7:30 a.m. since this morning until Sunday, January 18, up to 3 p.m. You need to put your phone number. Again, be consistent with all the information you're putting in when you signed up for the Weverse, when you signed up for the actual membership fan club. Use all the same information. You know, you're not gonna run into any problems. So you can only select up to 3, but for me, I'm just gonna do LA. They have 4 days. I think I'm gonna get a ticket. So after that, enter now. I'm gonna do enter now. So we're done. Your application has been submitted. We are now registered and can join the pre-sale for BTS. If you signed up for a pre-sale, we can check here. Okay, since it's not showing up on the anywhere here, I'm gonna go ahead and mirror this phone to the screen. Okay, so this is the Weverse app. Here you can, if you click more at the lower right, you can see event entries, right? based on this info, you can see that entry history. So I did sign up for the pre-sale and it's ready to go. Alright, if you click that, it will show you application has been submitted, information, blah blah blah. Okay, so you're good. Okay, so if you wanted to see your Weverse membership, what you need to do is go to your Weverse app. Under your name, you will see my membership. You need to click that, and then you can see your membership. So BTS Global official fan club, it will have your name, and your membership will start again with BA, then 9 numbers. So that's it. That's everything. Again, this whole application thing will apply to most, I guess 99% of all the Weverse pre-sale. So save this, bookmark, and if this is helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If I get a chance to secure a ticket, I'm gonna post some fan cams on the new channel I created. So that's it. Thanks for watching.